For every printer, every publisher, the price of the paper is a constant consideration. However, what if we told you that beyond the price tag reveals a hidden potential? A potential that affects not just the print but also your entire business. We at PaperOne, we delve deeper to analyze not just your paper but also your conversion cost, which is a big part of your business expenses. These include paper wastage, machine stoppages, printing speed, and ink consumption. While these might not be your primary concerns, they can significantly impact your bottom line. PaperOne addresses these hidden costs to help you unlock the full potential of your printing operations. We are capable of addressing these to provide an overall great experience along with great profits and savings. How do we help you? With PaperOne, we help our customers boost their productivity by increasing machine speed and reducing press stoppages. PaperOne gives our customers a smoother printing experience with 69% less stoppages and 24% higher machine speed, therefore increasing productivity by 31% in total. Nevertheless, we do not stop there. We attend to every detail, starting with PaperOne's exceptional paper opacity, which delivers superb print quality for a flawless reading experience. With increased productivity and better quality, you can potentially save more money, reduce cost, and gain a competitive advantage in the market. So, how much money can you potentially save with PaperOne? Well, the overall productivity gains from fewer machine stoppages help decrease cost by a minimum of $7 per metric ton. And a reduced ink consumption leads to an extra saving of $8 per metric ton. Less paper wastage further increases the savings by $17 per metric ton. Meanwhile, increased machine speeds leads to a potential minimum saving of $38 per metric ton, bringing up the estimated cost savings of minimum $70 per metric ton when printing with PaperOne. However, it is not just about numbers. With a global brand, PaperOne, you are not just printing, you are building a business that thrives with confidence. Collaborate with PaperOne for a paper that works as hard as you do. Unlock your printing potential with PaperOne. Precision in every print.